Hello everyone and welcome to our Team 5 presentation about the international expansion of Filson. Our team members include Addison McClendon, Erica Welch, Derek Maltone, and Faison Roof. We hope you enjoy. Filson is an American outfitter headquartered in Seattle, Washington. The company was founded in 1897 by Clinton C. Filson to provide quality products to the prospectors headed to the Klondike Gold Rush. Since then, Filson has become known for their rugged and high-quality outdoor gear designed to withstand extreme weather conditions. Originally catering to outdoorsmen, hunters, anglers, loggers, and explorers, Filson has built a reputation around durability and craftsmanship. The beginning products were created for railroad workers in harsh climates, and their products being made with top-quality materials to produce jackets, hats, shirts, and luggage. However, the company is currently expanding its retail and manufacturing operations, launching a women's wear line, and growing its global presence with new stores in San Francisco, London, Italy, and Canada. In 2008, they launched a women's clothing line and partnered with Levi Strauss & Co. To ensure long-term wear and comfortability, Filson services their products through repairing clothing and rewaxing products. Filson currently has 15 operating stores and 2 manufacturing locations. They are currently making manufacturing changes to shift to production overseas. SWOT analysis is broken up to 4 different parts, including strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. Filson has multiple strengths, including strong heritage and brand identity, durable and premium materials, and throughout their expansion, their products are continuing to be produced in the United States. In terms of weaknesses, they have a limited assortment of products, high price points, and a small global footprint. For opportunities, there's opportunities for expansion into international markets, collaboration with other premium labels, and increasing demand for durable outdoor products. Finally, for threats, there are strong competitor brands in the market, issues with collection of supplies, and possible economic downturns.
When we look at Filson's competitive landscape, there are a few big names we need to keep in mind. First, the North Face. They're all about technical innovation and performance gear. They built a huge global following and are a go-to brand for adventurers and outdoor athletes who want high-performance products that they can trust. Then there's Duluth Trading Company. They've carved out a niche with a tough, functional workwear and a brand voice that's funny and relatable. Their audience is mostly tradespeople and folks who want durable gear for everyday use. Carhartt is another major player. They lean heavily on heritage and the idea of American toughness. They are a staple for blue-collar workers, but have also become popular in streetwear and fashion circles. And finally, Patagonia. They built their brand around environmental responsibility and premium outdoor products. They connect with customers who want high-quality gear, but also care about sustainability, and they're strong in both city and backcountry markets. When deciding where Filson should expand, we looked at several key factors. First, we considered the demand for outdoor or rugged lifestyle apparel. We want markets where people are already interested in the type of products that we offer. We also looked at economic strength, focusing on countries with a high GDP per capita and strong disposable income, because that signals customers are willing and able to invest in quality gear. E-commerce and retail infrastructure was a big one. We need markets where both online and in-store shopping are well established. Outdoor culture matters too. Places where hiking, hunting, fishing, and camping are part of everyday life are naturally a better fit for Filson. We evaluated the cultural fit with our rugged heritage brand, making sure our image would resonate in the market. On the business side, we factored in the ease of doing business, including regulations, permits, and overall legal system. Trade conditions are important, so we checked import tariffs and other barriers to make sure they wouldn't cut too deep into profitability. Political and economic stability was another must-have. We want markets where we can operate without constant risk. We also considered the level of sustainability consciousness, since Filson's customers often value quality and responsible sourcing. Finally, we looked at the presence of competitors, like Patagonia, Arc'teryx, to gauge how crowded the market might be.
To identify potential target countries for Filson's international expansion, we began by looking at a wide range of markets that fit certain criteria, such as strong outdoor culture, high GDP per capita, and a good cultural fit with Filson's rugged heritage branding. This initial list includes Germany, Canada, Japan, South Korea, the United Kingdom, Sweden, Australia, France, Norway, and Switzerland. Each of these markets shows promising demand for premium outdoor apparel, but we needed to narrow them down further through detailed analysis. From our initial list, we narrowed the focus to three countries: Japan, Germany, and Canada. Japan stands out because consumers appreciate premium American heritage brands. The outdoor market is booming, and there's a strong cultural emphasis on craftsmanship, quality, and minimalist design, all of which align perfectly with Filson's identity. Germany has a strong outdoor culture and eco-aware consumers who value durable, functional clothing. The country also has well-established retail channels that could support a premium brand like Filson. Canada is a natural fit with its rugged outdoor lifestyle and large market for cold weather gear. However, there's already strong familiarity with competing brands which could present challenges in differentiation. This evaluation set the stage for selecting our final target market. Our pestle analysis for Japan highlights both opportunities and potential risk for Filson's expansion. Politically, Japan has a stable democracy with strong US trade ties, though there are ongoing disputes with neighboring countries over resources. These haven't significantly impacted domestic stability. Economically, it's the fifth largest economy with high purchasing power and an advanced retail and e-commerce market. The skilled workforce is a strength, but gender participation gaps may limit labor supply in the long run. Socially, Japan values craftsmanship and durability, a great match for Filson, but faces an aging population. Urban lifestyles and a growing outdoor culture create opportunities for both functional and stylish outdoor gear. Technologically, Japan is a leader in robotics, automation, and digital retail infrastructure, supporting seamless omni-channel experiences. Legally, there's strong IP protection and clear consumer and labor laws, though import regulations must be followed closely. Environmentally, Japan's eco-conscious consumers align with Filson's durable products, but the country's natural disaster risk means careful planning for store locations and supply chains.
For the international strategy selection, we decided to go with the transnational strategy. This will increase our market share by opening in multiple countries, potentially leading us to higher sales. We will also tailor our products and services to meet the local markets, which is our high local responsiveness. And then for economies of scale, by achieving business in multiple locations, it can lead us to reduce our cost per unit because we'll be producing more output. And overall, this will build brand awareness as we expand into more markets. International organization structure. The matrix structure will work best for our company, which combines aspects from both the product and geographic structure. Employees report to product and regional management. This can create a good balance between global and local product strategies, promotes collaboration within the company, and can also improve innovation. It does come with a couple disadvantages to talk about our high administration costs and then higher risk of conflict between management. Joint ventures will be our best entry mode into getting into other markets. With this, we will join with a partner and we will share costs, capital, and control. We will also gain knowledge and expertise while maintaining some control over branding and operations. The partner will have a better understanding of the local customer behavior, which will help us overall in our business.
Here's a list of all the references we used throughout our project. We thank you for taking the time to go over our presentation, and we hope you enjoyed.